Raw food means fresh ingredients. Just look at this chicken or this vibrant beef packed with nutrients. And don't forget turkey, a lean protein option. Pair it with fresh veggies like carrots and spinach. Pumpkin is great for digestion too. This is what balanced nutrition looks like. No kibble, no processing, just pure goodness. Watch these happy dogs enjoy their meals. Look at their energy after eating fresh food. Quality matters when it comes to your dog's health. Make the switch to raw for a happier pup. Join the raw food movement today.